Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our garden oasis. Today, we've got an exciting project on our hands. We're going to give our Hypedome garden pod a fresh new look by power washing it. Over time, dirt, grime, and the elements can take a toll on its appearance. But fear not, because we've got just the solution to make it as good as new. So let's dive right in. First things first. Panels of the properly assembled Hypedome resemble fish scales, meaning that even during the heavy rain, water flows down its sides without entering it. With that said, to wash away any dirt accumulating in hard-to-reach areas between the panels, we will be pointing the washer against said scales, and with pressure thousands of times stronger than even the most torrential rain, meaning some water may get inside. We do not recommend washing your Hypedome when it's very hot outside, as the water dries before it has a chance to run off, leaving unsightly water spots and streaks. And definitely do not wash your Hypedome near the freezing temperature. With that out of the way, let's get going. Start by removing any items that shouldn't get wet, especially any electronics. Do not worry if something is too bulky to easily remove it from your dome. Just try to move it towards the center. You can also use plastic to cover it. Securely close any windows and the door. If you have membrane zip door, make sure that the bottom edge faces outside. We use a regular 2000 psi power washer available in almost any supermarket. It is the right technique, not the tool, that really matters here. Rinse your dome from a distance. Start from the top and move downwards. You can gently rinse the membrane door. With that out of the way, let's tackle hard-to-reach spaces between the panels. Some water will be splashing your way, so make sure to wear something that can get wet. Point the washer against the scales of your Hypedome. Keep it very close to the edges to wash away dirt in the crevices. The standard nozzle should be very effective, but if your pressure washer came with more than one, you can try them out. We found that the rotary nozzle in our pressure washer works the best. This is part of the Hypedome that stands underneath the tree and was never cleaned in over 3 years. Observe the magic. Keep in mind that you don't have to clean the edges regularly. It depends on the location of your Hypedome, but such a deep cleaning should last you a couple of months, even more if you live in a dry climate. And we're done. This is how you do a deep cleaning of your Hypedome using nothing but the pressure washer and plain water. Keep the door and windows open for a while so the moisture escapes. If you have hard water, we would also recommend drying your dome with a soft microfiber cloth to prevent any water spots showing up. That's it for today. For more tips on using your Hypedome, visit our blog at hypedome.com.